Hey everyone, it's Erin Floater here, and I am here setting up for a week in my PP weeks. This is actually a memory keeping from the week before. I had a hard weekend, so I was not able to film and get a weekly setup video in my bullet journal in time. So that is actually going to be on Wednesday. Sorry in advance, but it was a kind of a crazy weekend. So I want to go over this whole week with you, and I hope you all like it. This kit is from Simply a Mess. This is a Canadian shop. I love the quality of their stickers, and they always bring such fun art to the table. This one in particular is the lemonade kit. I think it's called Fresh Lemonade, if I remember correctly. So these date dots are an add-on, but I just got like a mini kit because this is fit for like a regular vertical size planner. So you can see that I'm cutting down a lot of these boxes just to make it work a little bit better for the PP weeks. And it's actually kind of fun because all of these are, I can make into different washi strips and things like that. So you'll see me do that throughout this video. This is one of the last weeks I thought I could do this kind of bright summery kit. I live in North New York, so things usually tend to get, well, theoretically, and fingers crossed, things usually get cooler starting in September. So I wanted to start like veering my way towards cooler kits. So like more fall-y type kits. So I hang in there for pretty much the rest of August, but outside of that, I really wanted to start transitioning. So I couldn't really find washi that I wanted to go with this kit, so I brought in this washi from Simply Gilded, and I really wanted some gold accents, but I decided to go with this one. It brought in another color and layer of color into this spread, and it just, like, it screams like pink lemonade to me. So I was like, okay, well, this is a lemonade kit, so I'll bring in some pink lemonade. No big deal. So I brought in hollow and silver foil for this kit. So when it comes to a PP weeks, I can always kind of tell how I want things spaced out. So I decided to use these boxes just to space out a bunch of my days. I brought in some of that washi tape, which is basically part of the full boxes. So when I did that, I was able to figure out spacing ahead of time. Usually I wait until I'm like currently filling it out to put down boxes, but these boxes are very squared off, so it makes it really easy to figure out spacing and things like that. So I'm just putting in my schedule and my husband's schedule in this little mini sidebar. It's something that sometimes I put in habit trackers, sometimes I don't. It kind of depends on schedules and things like that and how they're going. I bring in coffee mug stickers from Sweet Bean Plans for my coffee and meetings for the mornings. And then I also went with my husband to play tennis. I did not play tennis because of my knee. So he went to play tennis and I brought the dog and we went for a long walk while he was playing tennis with one of his coworkers. On Tuesday, I was prepping for desk audits, so I did coffees and permit reviews, and then I was so done with my printer. I moved things around in my office, and the minute I disconnected the printer, for some reason, it changed all my printer settings, so I was just so mad, and I put very, very exhausted because I was just honestly, the anger was just really getting to me. I ended up purchasing a new printer, so it's totally fine. I feel like I wasted a bunch of money. Hopefully, I can get this sold to someone else that isn't looking for vibrant pictures being printed. And then I read and relaxed for the rest of the evening because I was working off some of that anger. I went for a Dunkin' run, which I'm realizing right now that it says Dinkin' run for some reason. And then I have my new releases video go live on Wednesday. So on Thursday, I went for another Dunkin' run, which that is a coffee mug, again, from Sweet Bean Plants, and then brought in a munchkin so to put that I was designing a bunch of stuff. I have to get ready for the release after this release, so I wanted to make sure I got some designs out of the way. I went to get Starbucks on Friday because I was going to get my car inspected for the state inspection, which is a little new for me. I'm from Florida. We didn't have to do state inspections, so this is my second time ever doing it. It took a really long time because they also were like playing around with my brakes and trying to clean those up, which, you know, it is what it is. Money went out the door, you know. But this watercolor heart car is from Chic Blossom Prints, and so is the laptop that is right down below, and so I marked in new releases with that laptop. Those blues are just so pretty. I love those blues. And then I brought in a silver foil Scribble Prints Co. YouTube symbol to mark that I have my 2020 dumpster fire set up go live that day. I found out on Friday that they were going to do my fence installation on Monday instead of the last week of August, so we had a lot of yard work to do. I'm talking hours of moving things around the yard to make sure that it was prepped for them to do that. And then we had campfire night at my husband's cousin's house, which was nice and relaxing after such a long day of working. And then I brought in a sticker from Paper and Milk to mark that my husband and I did a Pokemon Go walk. We woke up very late because we were out very late the night before. The Pokemon Go walk was totally fine, but I just did not feel well from there. I started getting migraines, so I brought in a bunch of Munchkin stickers to mark that. I put Death by Migraine and then took time to recharge. And then I put in a hibernate little guy because I decided to relax at night because I was just absolutely exhausted. And then here's a sneak peek of my next week, which is my birthday week. So thank you all for joining me. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz. I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.